Hi friends, I want to show you my new Selens wall or roof mount for lights and cameras. As you can see, I have this fully extended. It's about 39 inches. You could put this from the ceiling or from a wall, and you can mount any standard camera or light or phone case or mounting. You can do it sideways or like this, depending on what exactly are your needs, okay? And you can change the length of it, of course, to your needs. They come with these anchors for concrete walls or ceilings, and these regular screws for other kind of walls or ceilings. As you can see, they have this ring, so cables for the camera or the light won't be like getting everywhere, and you have different kinds of holes here to mount it. If you are putting together a YouTube studio, if you are putting together a picture booth or any kind of place for filming or taking pictures, these mounting posts, these mounting accessories are great, so you can put your equipment without messing around in the floor and getting a better view, a better angle for your shots. Thank you.